I was doing marathons, half marathons, and hips started bothering me, so he told me that I had moderate to severe osteoarthritis. And he said eventually he was going to need a hip replacement. I didn't want to hear that, so we went with the cortisone shots, and they gradually started not working as much. And I was going to wait until January to do it, but I would wake up at 2:30 in the morning and it was just throbbing. And I'd have to get up, walk around, and I was losing sleep. So I ended up moving it up, and I had the surgery last August. I had the surgery on a Tuesday, and I'm a spinning instructor at the Y, and I was back on my bike on the following Wednesday. Well, I don't have any pain anymore, which is great. I'm cycling 5 days a week, no problem walking. I drive a delivery van for a living, so I'm in and out of the van all the time, lifting my leg, and absolutely no pain. It's really kind of like a miracle. One of the things I really thought was fantastic was you guys did a course that I took, and they kind of laid it all out, told me exactly what was going to happen, what it was going to be like afterwards. So that really put my mind at ease. I was just thoroughly impressed with the whole setup. We had a nice private room, food was good. It was nice having the rehab facility right on the floor. And I mean, they had me up walking maybe 4 hours after the surgery. I've never been in the hospital before. Really had no major surgery, and this was a pretty big thing, but everybody just made me feel very, very comfortable. Anytime I had a question, or if I wanted to get up and go for a walk, they'd have someone there in 2 seconds. It made such a big difference, and I would totally recommend it. And I think being a smaller, tight-knit type place, whereas other hospitals, you just get lost. You're just a number, And this is much more personal.